Almost like clockwork, Google has launched the Pixel Watch 2 a year after it first entered the smartwatch market with the original Pixel Watch. The new wearable takes several cues from its predecessor. Google isn't taking any big risks here. Rather, the Pixel Watch 2 is an evolutionary tale. It looks identical to first Pixel Watch but matures on the inside with additional sensors, Qualcomm processing, new safety and fitness features, enhanced durability, and a bigger battery. The Pixel Watch 2 still uses a 41mm dial that is 12.3mm thick. These are the same dimensions as the first Pixel Watch, but in a slightly lighter 30-gram body. Google says the 100% recycled aluminum housing has contributed to the smartwatch weighing 6 grams less than its predecessor. You still get the same domed cover glass, which the company claims is thinner this time around. We'll only be able to tell if that's a good thing or not when we review the Pixel Watch 2. If you kept up with news about the original Pixel Watch, you'd know that the domed screen is susceptible to damage because of its shape. So making the glass thinner might not have been the best decision, especially since Google's repair policy for its smartwatches is essentially non-existent. Anyhow, it's not all worrying news when it comes to the design of the Pixel Watch 2. Google has secured an official IP68 water and dust resistance rating for the smartwatch, something we sorely missed on the Pixel Watch. The new smartwatch can now withstand immersion in water of up to 1.5 meters in depth for at least 30 minutes. So yes, you can take it swimming provided you also pair it with a water-resistant Pixel Watch 2 band. The good news is that all the Pixel Watch 2 bands are also compatible with the first Pixel Watch, except for the metal mesh and metal slim bands. The Pixel Watch 2 adds 6 new Watch Pixel Watch face families. Some are designed to be more simple and discreet, while others are more data-rich and customizable. The at-a-glance watch face complication delivers contextually relevant information when you need it, like weather and traffic data. Time to count everything new on the Pixel Watch 2, and there are quite a few things to go through in this list. To begin with, the Pixel Watch 2 offers automatic workout start and stop reminders for 7 common workouts, including running, outdoor cycling, and more. You can also use the Fitbit Exercise app to start additional workouts and view real-time workout data on the Pixel Watch 2. But that's stuff we also saw on the previous Pixel Watch. Google has fitted the Pixel Watch 2 with a new multipath heart rate sensor for improved signal quality. The sensor uses multiple LEDs and photodiodes to measure the pulse signal from different angles to provide multiple estimates of your pulse. This is great for exercising as the sensor switches between single and multipath modes automatically based on the intensity of your workout. Google says the Pixel Watch 2 offers Fitbit's most accurate all-day heart rate tracking thanks to the sensor. The sensor also powers other fitness features such as sleep tracking, high and low heart rate notifications, and daily readiness score. Pixel Watch 2 can now help users schedule a safety check, just like Pixel phones. The feature allows you to schedule a timer for when you might want your friends or family to know that you're safe. Once the timer goes off, Safety Check will ask you to confirm if you're OK or if you would like to share your live location or contact emergency services. If you don't respond, the feature automatically shares your real-time location with your emergency contacts. The Pixel Watch 2 now features a 306 mAh battery, up from 294 on the previous model. Google says its new smartwatch can last for 24 hours with the always-on display. A full charge should ideally take about 75 minutes as opposed to the 90 minutes it took to charge the Pixel Watch from 0 to 100%. We'll obviously test these claims when we review the Pixel Watch 2. We were quite unhappy with the battery life on the first Pixel Watch, so we'll take any and all extra on-time Google has to offer. Google has ditched Samsung and equipped the Pixel Watch 2 with the more recent Qualcomm Snapdragon 5 processor. It promises speedier processing with its A53 CPU cores and Cortex-M33 coprocessor, improved power efficiency, and better Wear OS performance. We've already seen the processor in action on the Oppo Watch 3 series, a China exclusive. On paper, though, Google seems to have made quite a few important upgrades to the smartwatch. If you own a Pixel Watch right now, you should consider whether new features like body response tracking, improved heart rate measurement, and safety check are important for you. They are definitely a nice touch, but not everyone might find them absolutely crucial to their smartwatch experience. As for Wear OS 4, the original Pixel Watch will also get the update, so you won't miss out on much. For now, we suggest you hold off on buying the new Pixel Watch 2 until reviews of its performance come in. If you're investing in a new Google Watch for the first time, the Pixel Watch 2 is the best you can get. The processor and battery upgrades alone make it instantly more powerful than the original Pixel Watch. Google also ensures software and security updates land on time, which is a big advantage over other Wear OS wearables. So if you're looking to pick up a capable Wear OS smartwatch, the Pixel Watch 2 is undoubtedly worth your attention. So what are your thoughts on this new Pixel Watch 2 from Google? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.